Hi there, Ana Brandt here, back again to tell you about a new addition to the World Tour 2025. It's the Mini Baby Tour. The Mini Baby Tour will only be held in select states and countries: California, New York, Boston, Florida, internationally, Netherlands. What is the Mini Baby Tour? Well, the Mini Baby Tour is a one-day option with second day option for hands-on. It is smaller in class size, whereas the World Tour is a bigger group size and required 2-day, focusing on maternity, newborn, and AI. Our Mini Baby Tour is only focusing on newborn. Day 1 is all about theory and safety, as well as showing you lighting, posing, safe wrapping, and all of the different items that you need to learn to be a successful newborn baby photographer. Option Day 2 is a hands-on baby course. Now, the idea is because we found that there's a lot of people just starting out and maybe overwhelmed by the 2-day tour, or they want something in addition to the tour, as well as this is my last year of teaching group workshops. After the 2025 tour, I will be doing mentoring and private small group events. However, my class workshops will end. Now, I will be passing the baton to all of my certified trainers who will be traveling the world, teaching all different levels of maternity, newborn, and AI technologies. I will also still be teaching online. If you're somebody that is looking to start in newborn photography, or maybe you've started but you've never been formally trained, or maybe you've been doing this a few years but you really need to understand your workflow and just be absorbed in newborn photography, and you want me to train you, this is the event for you. Check out the limited spaces in the limited cities and countries for the Mini Baby Tour for more information and sign up today.